Lil Nate, yeah, this is dedicated to my history, US history, to Mr. Sean, you the best. From the Midwest. Where that dough at? Probably with me, with my Supreme, my girl Cheese. She squeeze with the cheese. I got the clout, I got the stacks, I got them racks. I spit bars on my tracks. My girl with me, iced out, rolly iced out chain. Too icy for you in the zoo. Pop out with that 4-4. Not afraid to let it bang. Take a hike with your bike, with my mic. Unlike you, I let it spray. Got them racks all over, snacks all over. Like a new soldier. That's it. Sit in my hard bar scar. Off the bar, are you a mew? Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah. Lil Nate, yeah. About to spit some fire on this track, yeah. That's it. I'm the lit-ist of the century with my century gun on, pointed out your people. Yeah.